Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce distractions with Freedom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, download the Freedom app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app to create your account. You'll need to enter your email address and choose a password. After signing up, you'll be guided through a brief setup process. Select the devices you want to block distractions on. Next, choose the websites and apps you find most distracting. You can either add them manually or use preset categories for quick selection. Once you've made your selections, set a plan for when you want Freedom to activate. Decide whether you want a recurring schedule or a one-time session. For spontaneous focus, use the Quick Session option. After setting up your plan, click on Start Session or Save Plan to activate it. During a session, all selected websites and apps will be blocked. If you try to access them, you'll receive a notification reminding you of your focus commitment. You can customize your experience further in the Settings menu. Explore features like focusing on specific tasks or using the locked mode for increased accountability. Remember, the Freedom app works best when you stay committed to your goals. At any time, you can review your productivity to see how well you've been focusing. Adjust settings as needed to refine your distraction-free experience. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce distractions and improve your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.